Well, you can't do a series on backyard getaways without sometimes going to the lake. This week, that's exactly where we go. Photographer Dustin Scholl and reporter Eric Nelson grabbed a paddle and tried some kayaking in this week's edition of Backyard Getaways.
It's a wonderful way to get out on the water and see your area from a different perspective. It's a great way to see wildlife that you might not see from land.
When it feels like a sauna outside, it makes sense to go to a lake. Kayaking is a great way to stay cool and see some cool stuff.
You might have a plane flying overhead, but you're surrounded by great blue herons and eagles. It's relatively quiet, and you just have beautiful surrounds all around you.
We tried kayaking recently at Fish Lake Regional Park. Our photojournalist Dustin Scholl has done this before.
You're making a right angle with your elbows there.
And our Three Rivers instructor, Allie Dart, is an expert. Yours truly is a newbie who tried to catch on and keep up.
All right, Eric, you're looking good.
As Allie gave tips on how to keep the boat afloat.
Once you're out there, just kind of try to stay calm as you get more comfortable with the paddling and more comfortable in a boat.
After a few minutes on the lake, I went from timid to semi-confident. Hey, this is fun.
We see lots of people out on our lakes kayaking. It's kind of taking over for canoeing as the most popular paddling sport these days.
Kayaking is a fabulous way to get exercise, see great scenery, and to decompress.
Getting out on the water is super calming.
At Fish Lake, time stands still when you are paddling and floating in a kayak. I was hooked and will be back.
It's so go, go, go in our world these days that just being able to get out and sit and, watch a bird landing on the water, taking off, or watching the sunset.
For beginning kayakers, Fish Lake is a perfect spot to learn the sport.
Lakes tend to be a little bit better for beginners because you don't have a current to contend with. You don't have strainers, typically those downed trees that might be in a river that you could get stuck in with that current.
With repetition and good technique, most people can get better quickly.
If you're doing kayaking right, you're really engaging your core as you paddle, and so that's a great full body workout.
For Backyard Getaways, I'm Eric Nelson, CCX News.
For more information, check our website at ccxmedia.org.